Our objectives in healthcare reform is to bring down the escalating cost of healthcare in America, which is the highest cost in the world, to deal with those who don't have health insurance so every American can afford affordable health care. And the bill on the floor of the United States Senate will reduce the number of uninsured by 31 million. And in doing it in a fiscally responsible way. We talk about that. But what we should be talking about more is the moral imperative for the United States, the only industrial nation in the world that doesn't provide universal access to health insurance. The only industrial nation in the world and the wealthiest. This is a moral imperative.
It is obligatory from the Torah for the physician to heal the sick, based on the rule that says when someone loses something, you shall restore it to him. We, he said, are required to restore health to the body. Went on to say God created drugs and compounds, gave us the intelligence necessary to discover their medicinal properties. We must use them in warding off illness and disease.
The provision of health care for all without regard to status or ability to pay is portrayed in the parable of the Good Samaritan as the duty of every neighbor, and thus of every person. And let's be clear about what has taken place in recent months here on Capitol Hill. Healthcare reform has been delayed and stymied by insurance companies seeking to protect vast profits and grotesquely inflated executive salaries.
We have got to reclaim who we are as a nation that looks out for each other, that attends, that says government's responsibility is to resolve the critical issues of our time. And if healthcare is not one of those issues, I don't know what is. It is the most stark, dramatic domestic need. So I urge every American to engage this issue now. We have got to work for the common good.
Because the message should be that the leader of the free world should provide universal health coverage to every American. That's a moral imperative, and that's what this bill does. Thank you.